Are you able to listen to my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why I want to interact on Zoom work? Because so whatever we are sharing, whatever I am counseling you from your side, you are discussing with me, I am guiding you. So that will be useful to others, whether it is right or not.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So, like you, so many will come to me. Understand? That moment I will guide them. So that valuable suggestions, whenever I am interacting with them. So if I record that, that will be useful to others. This is my
Oh, yes, sir.
intention. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now your mom told me that you are studying in JNTU Anantapur.
Yes, sir.
And you are at the fourth year, second sem, and you are at the CGP of 8 point someone, okay, 82%
Yes,
like that.
yes, sir.
So now what I want to know that introduce yourself. What is your potentiality in programming? So why
Yes.
you are not getting the campus selections in your JNTU Anantapur? What is the reason?
Okay. Sir, companies are less hiring, sir. In our college, the placement of is not good. That's why there is only two companies which hired only 10 members, sir.
So this is the first
Hello.
time, and this year is happening like that. Otherwise, in the previous sessions, also previous years are
It's
same.
the first
Let's,
time, sir.
huh?
Previous year, in previous year there is another person, sir, placement officer.
Okay.
But this time the placement officer have been changed, so the placements are getting less in our college, sir.
Why? What is the reason? It is a government sector, na? JNTU government sector.
I think officer didn't interact with companies correctly.
So see, this is not the this year happening. So consecutively, in the previous years also, this is happening like that. So a little bit of companies are coming. The companies, whatever are coming, they are mid companies and higher package companies, small companies. All are service based companies like Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, Capgemini, okay, Deloitte. These are service based companies and somewhat startup companies also.
Yes, sir.
So you explain me that, no, which type of company, if companies are coming, a small little bit of companies, whether they provide.
Sir, for college, no, for college there is two companies have come, sir.
uh,
One is Paxet, which is a product based, service based company,
hmm,
Paxet, and another is Mantra, sir.
Mantra.
Actually, I am got selected in Mantra
Hmm.
and Mewak. There is two companies, only one company, sir, but two tests for two roles.
Okay.
I got selected in two roles,
Hmm.
but in final interview they said they want to hire only girls, sir,
Acha, final
for
interviews,
Mantra.
they had denied about the boys.
Yes, sir.
Only the girls will be selected, huh?
Yes, sir. For their gender equality purpose.
So and
Uh,
one drama nowadays, some companies they are making the drama like what they will bring the companies, and the companies will come and they will conduct the interviews, and they will give the promises. Then after they will show a cause of that due to layoffs. Okay, we are sort out the strength. Okay, we are in layoffs now, so that's why we are unable to provide the jobs. Okay,
yes, sir.
so one drama they will create, that is what they are recruiting the students. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so next joining session, students whomever wants to join, they will feel that okay, companies are coming to the campus. That's why there is a chance of campus elections. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So leave it that, my dear student, whatever is happening, happening. But whether it is off campus, it is on campus. So from your side, which type of
Yes.
skills you must have to be part of any company, whether in off campus and on campus, what you have learned?
I'm pretty good at C language, Java and Python. I'm basically I'm a full stack developer, sir.
Full stack developer.
Means I'm not a developer, but I learned the whole course.
Okay, so you have learned both the full stack means front end and back end. And front end, I hope
Yes,
that
sir.
you might have studied the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Script and Bootstrap and
Bootstrap.
something too, sir. Yes, sir.
Bootstrap, I think that is the framework of CSS,
The
otherwise
framework of CSS.
CSS, na?
It's a framework of CSS, sir. Yes, sir.
Cascading style sheet framework, na?
Yes, sir.
So what about the frameworks of JavaScript, whether you are familiar with that Angular, React?
I'm little bit familiar with React, sir, but not sure. I'm currently learning about it. But in backend, I know about PHP, Python.
What about the Java frameworks like that is what Spring and Spring Boot? Which
No,
are,
sir. I'm
which
not.
are, which are the latest, na? Latest frameworks nowadays, na?
Uh, Currently, I'm learning about it, sir. In future, I will learn it.
So means what you are a full stack developer, okay? You know how to write the code for the interface, user interface, okay, front end side, client side, and
Yes, sir.
you are also having the knowledge towards the server side also, okay?
Yes,
And rather than Java, you are so familiar with the PHP and Python,
yes, sir.
but you don't have any idea in Java. Little bit you have idea.
Programming language. In programming language perspective, I have some good knowledge about Java, sir, but not in backend purpose.
Okay, then after whether you have any idea over SQL,
Yes,
RDBMS,
sir. Yes, sir. I'm good at MySQL.
MySQL, data RDB, relational database management systems.
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes, sir.
are familiar how to create the database in MySQL, okay?
Yes, sir.
So now once your database is created in MySQL, now you are capable to retrieve the data through SQL,
Yes, yes.
okay?
Yeah.
So you see, you have the knowledge from front end side and back end, okay, and then you have knowledge also towards the RDB, how to create the database and that how to access the database through your SQL, and you are able to run the queries through SQL over the database created in MySQL, okay?
Yes.
Do you have
Yes,
any
sir.
idea over .NET framework?
No, sir. No.
You don't have any idea over .NET framework, huh?
No, yes, sir. I
Nothing
don't have
but
any knowledge about it.
so .NET framework, nothing. It is created by Microsoft, and it is like a framework. Like you have studied all the Java frameworks and JavaScript frameworks. This .NET framework, it is simply say that it is a huge class library. Okay, and it will be used to create the applications for desktop, Android, that is mobile apps and desktop apps. Okay, and somewhat game development like what. But
Okay,
for
okay.
this, the IDE will be used that Visual Studio. Okay,
Okay.
like
Yes,
you
sir.
Java, you use what is the IDE mostly you have used for that is language Python and Java and
I am used, means for development of website, I have used Visual Studio, sir, and a little bit of, for packaging purpose, I used Sublime Text, sir.
okay. So Python you have used Sublime.
For practicing, yeah, for practicing PHP, I used Sublime Text, sir.
Okay.
For
So
Java, and I used Eclipse,
okay,
and Python, I used PyCharm.
Python.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so different IDEs you have used, but if you have downloaded that Visual Studio Code, that can be used for all purposes, C, C++,
Yes,
because
sir.
if you want to know, if you do, you want to, for C, code blocks, for C, which IDE you have used?
For C, sir, uh, Turbo, uh,
They,
called
Dev, C, Dev,
Dev C, sir.
So I suggest you that na. So if you download IDE Visual Studio Code, that will be used for all C, C++, Java, Python. Okay.
Yes.
Even though I think for the C sharp also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now question is that how can we crack whether you want to be part of any service based company and product based company?
Product-based company, sir.
So do you know that if you want to be part of any product based company, which type of skills you should have?
No, sir.
That is the problem. Okay. So see, from my side, I suggest you that if you want to be part of any product based company, 5 points I will brief you. First one is that you must be so proficient in programming.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you must have thorough knowledge in programming, at least one programming language. I prefer to Java first. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you must be so proficient in programming of one language. I prefer to Java, then Python. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Through knowledge. Through knowledge means try to understand core Java and advanced Java, data types of Java, typecastings, that is OOPS concepts, object-oriented programming, method, class, variables, instance variables, class variable.
Yes,
Okay, next is what your access modifiers. You come to that, methods, built-in methods, and user-defined method, and principles of that is what your programming of your object-oriented programming, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, types of inheritance, and then you need to come down your exception handling, regular expressions, and that collection data structure. What are the collection data structures in Java?
Uh, stacks, queues, sir.
What?
Stacks and queues
Collection
comes
data
under the collection.
structures, that is, okay, stacks and queues, but general, that is what your, I hope that you might have studied your hash set, hash map, array list, linked
Hash
list.
maps, yes, sir.
So
Yes,
they are
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
general arrays and array list, linked list, and your hash map, hash set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then next you need to come down your multi-threading,
Yes, sir.
synchronization.
Yes, sir. I know about the topic, about theory topic, sir, but not practically.
Uh,
I'll develop my skills about that, sir.
Synchronization, threading, what is multi-threading types of. Okay, I hope that you somewhat, so up to here file handling, if you cover, so you need to go advanced. Okay, so why because na, as of, that is I told you that one language you must have that is very proficient. Okay.
Yes,
So
okay, sir.
really you want to be part of any product based company. So simply I want to say that if you want to crack top MNCs, multinational like your Google, Microsoft, Flipkart, Amazon, like what you know. Okay. One
Okay.
language, you must be so proficient in that language, go through knowledge. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next is what you must have deep knowledge in DS and algorithms, data structures and algorithms.
Yes, sir.
100% deep knowledge. So if you, because already you know that data structure, it is not a programming language, it is part of computer science. So data structure, it is the way to store the data. So we can create the data structures in different languages. We can, syntax is different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you want to create, that is what your queue, and that is syntax for different, every language, different data syntax is there. You can understand that, na?
Yes, sir.
So you should have deep knowledge in data structures and algorithms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, if you have 50% knowledge over your RDBMS, database management systems, computer architecture, operating systems, computer networks. How many topics I told you?
5 topics, sir.
What are they?
RDVMS,
Okay, RDB means relational database. You told me that MySQL, any one MySQL, SQL Server, Postgres, Sybase, Oracle, whatever. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you must have 50% knowledge over these 5 topics. What are they?
Sir,
What are they? 50% you must.
data structures. 50% about server side and means database and data structures and algorithms.
Data structures and algorithms, 100%, more than 100% you should have. And one language that is, I suggest to Java, and data structures and algorithm, deep knowledge, 100, more than 100% knowledge you must have. Apart from that, 5 topics I told you that
Okay.
50% if you cover, like what your operating systems,
Operating system and
database management systems,
okay, sir.
computer architecture,
Okay, sir.
computer networks.
Okay, sir.
Then what next? If you next you need to develop a resume, good resume, strong resume. If you don't know how to develop your resume, you take the support of I will send one prototype for you, model for you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and you take the support of ChatGPT 3.5 and you try to build a strong resume. In general, mistakes students do in developing the resume is what you know.
What?
They will write the story in their resume. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in resume, the HR at technical round, whomever, they will keep only 2.5 minutes in your resume. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shortly you need to write, okay, with the bullets. Okay, keep the bullets and shortly you need to introduce yourself, whatever the skills, technical skills achieve, whether you have achieved anything, and the projects whatever you have done, you need to mention like that. Okay, I will send one prototype for you. So now this resume you need to post in, whether you have a LinkedIn profile,
Yes, sir.
LinkedIn, findit.com, naukri.com, like that you post within all the job portals.
Okay, sir.
You go into my YouTube channel, and within that I have mentioned a lot of topics: how to crack top MNCs, how to create the resume by ChatGPT 3.5, and how to post the resume in job portals like LinkedIn. And if I want to if I want to post my resume to specific company, okay, recently TCS has opened their recently I have made a video also. Recently, TCS started to recruit the freshers and whomever have 2 years of experience.
Yes, sir.
You can apply for them also. Okay. So if you
Okay,
want
sir.
to be part of any specific company, so how can you be part of that company? Suppose if you want to be part of TCS, otherwise product-based company like Amazon. So then you need
Hello.
to visit that website.
I know about the company, sir.
So Amazon, whatever the company, if you want to be part of that company, go into the website company, particular website,
Okay, sir.
and there look for jobs, otherwise careers. A tab is there.
Okay, sir.
Under the jobs and careers. Within that, go into there and post your resume for that specific company.
Okay, sir.
Before that, what we did, we have post our resume in job portals like LinkedIn, naukri.com, findit.com, indeed.com, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope that you have opened your LinkedIn profile. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, go specific company. Which company you prefer to be part of that?
Not a specific company, sir, but I want to develop my career in web development, sir.
Web development.
Yes, sir.
You want to be part of web development. Okay. So whenever whenever you have been selected for any company will decide which task they want to give, they want to offer you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
From my side, what I'm suggesting that really, if you want to be part of any product-based company, these are the points I told you that you must be so proficient one programming language, especially I prefer to Java, then Python. Next, you must be so proficient in data structures and algorithms, and rest of apart from that, 50-40% if you have the knowledge over database management systems, the computer architecture, operating systems, and computer networks. Then after, build up a strong resume, okay, and post your resume in job portals. And apart from that, if you want to be part of any specific company, go into that company website like Wipro. If you want to be part of service-based Wipro, go into wipro.com, whatever the authorized website. There, within that, look for careers and job tab. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Under that, you post your resume. All these I have briefed in my channel. You go there in my, I have given my channel link also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
My link, just you have seen join the Zoom link, na? Just beneath of that YouTube link I have given. So
Okay, sir.
I am army retired person who has kept 30 years service in the Indian Army as a technical engineer. So after retirement, myself, I am not doing any job and I am keeping service to only enhance your programming skills. Weekly 3 days, I am conducting the free classes for programming, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sharply at 8 p.m. And the recorded classes will be kept in my channel. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is the promise I have made from my side. I will give support to all of you until my last breath of life.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I am not only for you, and I am also keeping providing career guidance to those poor guys just who has completed the 10th class also.
Okay, sir.
So, and I am providing the job notifications from zero to hero, means 10th class, 12th. If I observe, if I find any notification which is related with all your zero to hero, so I try to keep in my channel to notify all of you. So this is the job vacancy like IBPS, okay, banking personnel selection, railway recruitments, boards, staff selection commission, UPSC, civil services examination, army selections. So many technical graduates, they prefer to be part of as engineers in the army, navy, dry forces, air force. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, apart from that, also, whenever the government, I support the government schools. Whenever they call me, I will go for there and I will discuss with, interact with the students and teachers. I try to give my support to enhance their skills. Not only study and even though the communication, interpersonal communication skills. So, my dear, whenever you have
Okay.
posted your resume in job portals and specific companies, then you need to prepare yourself very deeply to crack that exam.
Okay, sir.
So for that, whether you have visited any these gigs for gigs, otherwise hacker rank, lead code.
Yes, sir. I have followed the questions in lead code and hacker.
Okay, they try to complete solve 1,000 questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
At least try to complete 500 questions. Then after, if you are capable to solve that questions, go and try to continue until your examination before going to your interview.
Okay, sir.
So that questions will be so beneficial to you. They will give a lot of support to you, and maybe same questions and similar questions, otherwise matching questions, means you will get you a lot of experience whenever you are cracking that questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then after, so once you have prepared, thoroughly prepared, you do somewhat mock interviews. I have in my channel, I have suggested 4 websites
Yes.
which will provide mock interviews. Okay. So whatever I am speaking with you, all I have endorsed, I have recorded in my channel. Okay, that is what how to crack top MNCs. What are the top websites which are providing mock interviews, and how to that is what I told you, the how to create the resume by chat GPT, how to
Yes,
post
sir.
resume to job portals and specific company, how to post that resume to specific company, everything which are related with. And recently one director, he is the executive director of Google. He has given some what interview. Within that, he told that how the students, even the brilliant students, they are failing in interviews. So 4 points he has mentioned, even though that is also posted in my channel. You refer the Daniel Ritchie interview.
Okay, sir.
So you watch all that and you make yourself so proficient in all, as I have discussed according to your interview. So you need to prepare yourself. Don't be reluctant yourself. Don't waste your single moment of time, and don't try to be part of any crickets and IPL and solo trips. You want to go with your friends on Sundays. You want to waste your time, and most of the time you are the youngsters. You don't want to be passionate, and you don't want to be. That is what you know, you don't want to be passion intended, dedicated towards your goal. That is the main drawback I found whenever I was interacting with your youngsters. Okay,
Yes, sir.
most of the time you people, you youngsters want to be make a crowd, and you want to rush towards the movies and bike riding and crickets and enjoying. Okay, here moving here and there. Most of the time you people want to waste your time.
Yes, sir.
So myself, from my side, it is no. From my side, really, you want to be part of any, you want to crack any top MNCs, multinational companies. So you must have so proficient in communication skills. Apart from technical skills, you must be so proficient in your interpersonal skills. They are called soft skills.
Okay, sir.
They are soft skills. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Soft skills means how to respond for the question and decision making, how to interact with your whomever taking the interview, decision making, respond, answering, posture, position, how you, what is your confidence levels, how you are giving the responding very confidently, convincing of your colleagues. These are command, time management, all these will be a part of your interpersonal communication skills.
Okay, sir.
So now I would like to know that if you suppose assume that this is the final year, you are in second sem of fourth year, and you are in the project. Once you complete your project, and assume that you have not been selected in the campus selections, okay,
Okay, sir.
then you need not to discourage yourself. First, you need to be like a soldier. You need to be
Yes.
like a soldier. You must have so much willpower. Okay, understood that? You must have so much of willpower. Understood that?
Yes, sir.
So that willpower is what you know. Once, suppose if you have not been selected in your campus selection, then after you need to be, you will leave your location and go for the home. There, you need to keep your efforts and improve your skills in programming. Okay, from all like what you know, latest topics, may the DevOps. I hope that you have listened such a word, DevOps, na?
Sir.
Development and operations, Kubernetes,
Yes, sir.
Docker, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, this is what you know. The trend is in computer science, artificial, as per artificial intelligence, the trend, new trends are coming. That is what NLP, natural language processing.
Yes.
NLP. Okay, so many topics are there, so you need to familiar with them. Also in interview, you must be ready to face all that questions. Okay,
Sir.
so improve your knowledge, and even though at off campus, try to finish that. Whenever whenever you can be able to focus over the topics and you are not wasting your time. Okay, you are not wasting your time. Means think that where you can waste your time. Generally, where we can waste our time.
Game,
Where you will waste your time generally, a student.
games and
Games. Games is the right thing. Okay, if you play games, that is the right thing for you, because if you want a good thinking power, you need to do physical exercises. So games are part of physical exercise. So apart from that, it is not wasting of time. Continuously, if you want to study
yes.
that moment, if you go for 30 minutes, 40 minutes game, so it will not impact your career.
Okay, sir.
So generally, where you youngsters waste your time?
Yeah.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby, sir,
Movie,
playing.
watching movies,
Yes, sir.
watching movies, na?
Yes, sir.
Watching cricket, IPL.
Yes, sir.
So that is really you are wasting your time. Because movie, that fellow, that actor, he is earning the money and he is not thinking about your career. He is giving the ads for you, and whether that beverage, whether he is drinking or not, irrespective of that, he will give the ads. Okay, without tasting of that drink also.
Yes, sir.
And you are the Romeo of that fans, and you will go for the movies and waste 4 hours of time of your valuable time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then what, you go for the cricket, and cricket is what in India, cricket is what, okay, understand, it is very costly game, and for yourself, and if you really want to be cricketer, whether it is possible to become a cricketer in India in 140 crores population,
Uh,
is it possibility is there? That's why I'm asking.
no, sir.
So then why do you want to waste your time, my dear? First of all, you go and you achieve your position. Then after, whenever you have achieved that position, that moment you can go for enjoy entertainment.
Okay, sir.
So if you want to enjoy, go, whether you go for solo trips with your friends, you want to go for solo trips with your friends.
No, sir. Currently, no, sir.
So you need to cut your all time waste. Wherever you are making your time waste, that moment you need to cut all. Okay.
Okay.
Then you need to concentrate over your studies and only theory, read the theory and do the practicals. Theory, read the
Okay,
theory
sir.
and try to write the code, solve the questions. Okay, develop your programming. If it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript and their frameworks, and backend your PHP, whatever you told me, Python, Java, and their, if you are studying Python, you must be somewhat, if web development, what is Django, and if it is related with any game dev, Pygame, and if it is NumPy, Scikit, whatever the libraries, okay, pandas. Otherwise, if you want to be part of Java, you must be familiar with the frameworks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, my dear, if you, as I told you that if you like me, I am 50 plus now. After retirement, 30 years kept service in the Indian Army. After retirement, from my side, not only I am conducting the classes throughout the India. If anybody make a call to me, at least 1 hour, such instances are there. I have spent with them more than 1.5 hours. Okay,
Yes, sir.
conducting the classes Friday, Saturday, Sunday without fail, and interacting with students like you and guiding them, and then after visiting this government schools and guiding the career guidance, even the 10th class student also. And not only that, so many physical classes, drill. So myself, I am engaging myself, my dear. I don't want to waste single moment of my life, you know.
Yes, sir.
So you need today onwards, you promise yourself, you want to be like a soldier. Do you want to become like a soldier today onwards?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You promise
Yes, sir.
today onwards, you promise me, sir, today onwards, I will never waste my single moment of life. Really, I am a soldier. I am feeling today onwards, I am a soldier. And I know that, sir, how the hardship of soldier life is there and how they struggle to do the service and the borders, whether they are getting proper sleep and whether they are proper eating. So, sir, I know very well. So today onwards, I feel that I am a soldier and surely I will keep my continuous efforts to improve my knowledge. And one day, I will crack the top MNCs like Google, Microsoft, whatever. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't expect that if there is no any campus selection, that moment don't discourage yourself and don't feel bad. Okay, yeah, there is no any campus selection. So no issue once you whenever you come on off campus, that moment also as I have briefed you. If you follow that, you visit my website, everything I have briefed there. These all the lectures and I have given mock interviews and whatever how to crack the top MNCs, creating of resume, how to post that resume, and whatever that is what Daniel interview recently, executive director of Google, everything I have
Yes,
briefed
sir.
there. So you go there
Yes,
and
sir.
check back that and you keep your efforts. Surely, really, if you have good skills in your programming, surely
Yes, sir.
you will get the success. If you want to waste your time by going up movies, watching up the TV serials, and I know that you will not watch Telugu serials, but maybe you want to watch English serials. 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is summary from your side? What is the summary from your
Hard
side?
work. Hard work is the key to success, sir. That I'll try my best to do to get a job in top MNCs.
So promise like a soldier. Huh? The soldier
Yes, sir.
never go back. Once he has promised, he will never leave the post. He never leave the
Yes,
battlefield.
sir.
Life is also
Yes.
battlefield. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today onwards, I am feeling you. I am considering you Sai Rakshit, na?
Yes, sir.
Sai Rakshit, he is such a tall person. I think he is 5'8". Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
I have seen your DP in your WhatsApp beside of your mother. You are such a very tall person, 5'8" like that. You have
Yes, sir.
your coat. You have covered your face with your coat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So such a very tall person. So today onwards, I am feeling you. You are my soldier, and surely once you have promised it with the captain, so I will keep my efforts to crack the top MNCs and I will develop my
Yes, sir.
programming skills. I never discourage because if I wouldn't be selected in my campus selection, doesn't mean to say that life is ending. There is so much of life. Still myself, I have completed 30 years. Still I am surviving for you without my keeping my selfless efforts. Okay, all of you
Yes,
understand?
sir. Yes, sir.
So I hope that you will do better and I bless for your bright future and career and the God will
Thank
support
you.
only those person who will be so laborious. Understood that?
Yes, sir.
Always God support only those who are really dedicated, passionate.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Promise,
Promise, sir.
sound, so promise,
Promise, sir.
promise.
Yes, sir.
There is no any sound, my dear student.
Yes, sir.
Promise.